Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly make a dramatic design impact on your entire website with just a few small changes. I'll show you how to change the font presets and the color presets on your website built with the Website.com site builder, and also how to create a custom color palette and choose custom colors on your website. I'll also show you how to change your hero section design with a different layout. So I've started with this template, and the first thing I'm going to do is change the fonts on my website. So once you've logged into the site builder, just click Site Design, and then click Fonts. You can change the fonts across your entire website by choosing a font pack. Once I choose the font preset for my website, it will apply across my entire website to keep it consistent on all of your web sections and pages. Remember to keep your brand in mind as you pick a font. Different fonts can evoke feelings of strength, peacefulness, or playfulness. For example, this Fredoka 1 preset is a playful combination that's perfect for a daycare or a children's clothing store. Josephine San is a font that gives a feeling of sophistication, and I'll choose this one. After we've picked our font pack, we can click back to Site Design and choose a color pack. Just click Colors. So these are all designer-made color combinations that add variety to your website while keeping a cohesive look. Remember, again, to keep your brand and business in mind as you choose your colors. Colors can also evoke different feelings in your website visitors. For example, blue gives a sense of calm and confidence. Purple can give a sense of luxury or creativity, and yellow can give a sense of warmth and happiness. So I love this color combination, but if you want to go ahead and tweak the color palette to use across your website, just click on the Customize pencil right beside the chosen palette, and you can click through the palette to choose the different colors. You can click on the color picker to change that color, or if you already know the color code, you can just insert it right here. Now you'll notice this toggle here. For colors that fall between light and dark, you can choose whether you want to set it as a light or a dark color, and this will affect how it will be contrasted with other website elements. For example, for this color here, if I want to set it as a light color, I can turn this toggle on, and you will see how that will affect the way it's contrasted with other elements. So if I want to change that back so that it's set as a dark color, you'll see that the text changed color there and the button also changed color. And again, this toggle is only activated for colors that are mid-tone colors. I'm just going to adjust this color a little bit. And now I've created my custom color palette. So we'll just click back on the Website.com logo to go back to Start. While we love the color palette because it gives your web design a consistent look, if you want to tweak the colors of individual sections or items on your website, you can customize the colors within your web page sections. So for example, I'll just click on this hero section, which is the first section visitors will see on the page. And then I'll click Change Colors and Layout on the left here. You can change the section color based on your site color palette by choosing a color right here. Or to choose custom colors, we'll click Custom Section Colors. Now for each element in this section, you can choose a custom color. For example, for the background, I'll also change the button color. So you can go ahead and choose custom colors for more sections in your design, but I'm going to leave the rest as is. So I'm going to click back. And you'll see that you can also choose to change the text alignment, the image position, and content position. You can choose whether you want to make this section full width or not. So if I turn that off, you can see the difference there. And you can also add top and bottom padding, which would affect the height of the section. But I'm going to leave that as is. You can also choose a preset with a different section layout, and this will make a huge impact to your web design. So just right here, click More Designs. And you can choose an entirely different layout. And remember, you can easily change the image on your hero banner just by clicking on the image and then changing it right here. You can upload and use your own images or choose from our copyright-free image library. So that's it. You'll see that these quick changes can make a huge difference to your website design and turn your template into a custom designed website, even if you have no design or website experience. We hope this video was helpful, and thanks for watching.